Question 1. Can you tell us about your experience in IT support?
I've worked in IT support for over 2 years, supporting around 150 users in a busy office. My role involved troubleshooting hardware and software issues, setting up new user accounts, and resolving network connectivity problems. For instance, when we migrated to Windows 11, I helped coordinate the rollout, ensured all users were backed up, and resolved compatibility issues for several legacy applications. The project was completed on schedule with minimal downtime.
Question 2. How do you handle a situation where you don't know the solution to a technical problem?
If I encounter an unfamiliar issue, I stay calm and follow a structured troubleshooting process. I collect details, check logs, research possible fixes, and escalate if needed. Once, a printer kept disconnecting from the network. I researched the error code and discovered a driver mismatch after a firmware update. After reinstalling the correct driver and updating the print server configuration, the issue was resolved. I documented the solution for future reference.
Question 3. What steps would you take if a user's computer is running very slowly?
I would start by checking the system performance, background processes, and available storage. Then, I'd look for malware, outdated drivers, or startup overload. A staff member complained that her computer took 10 minutes to boot. I found multiple heavy programs launching at startup and a nearly full hard drive. After cleaning up unnecessary files and disabling startup apps, her system performance improved by 70%, which she appreciated.
Question 4. How do you prioritize your tasks when you have multiple support requests?
I prioritize based on urgency and business impact while maintaining communication with all users. In my last role, we had 3 simultaneous issues: one user's email problem, a department-wide printer failure, and a server downtime. I prioritized the server issue since it affected multiple users, delegated the printer case to a colleague, and communicated realistic timelines to everyone involved. This approach minimized disruptions and improved user satisfaction.
Question 5. What is your approach to customer service in IT support?
I believe in empathy, clear communication, and patience. Users may not be technical, so explaining solutions in plain language helps build trust. A frustrated staff member once couldn't access an important presentation minutes before a meeting. I calmly guided her through accessing the file from OneDrive backup, explained what caused the issue, and reassured her. Afterward, she sent positive feedback to my manager about my support.
Question 6. How do you stay updated with the latest technology trends and tools?
I keep learning through online IT courses, community forums, and industry news. I recently completed a CompTIA IT Fundamentals course to strengthen my understanding of networks and cybersecurity basics. I also subscribe to Microsoft Learn updates and regularly test new tools in a virtual lab to stay current.
Question 7. Can you describe a time you successfully resolved a difficult technical issue?
In one case, a user's laptop kept blue screening after updates. After checking the logs, I found a conflict with a third-party antivirus driver. I booted into safe mode, uninstalled the conflicting software, updated the driver, and reinstalled compatible antivirus software. The user's system stability was restored, and the incident helped us update our software deployment policy to prevent similar conflicts.
Question 8. What operating systems and tools are you most comfortable with?
I'm confident working with Windows 10 to 11, Mac OS, and basic Linux environments. I regularly use Active Directory for user management and Microsoft 365 admin tools for account setup and permissions. For instance, I helped onboard 15 new employees by creating accounts in Active Directory, assigning appropriate security groups, configuring Outlook mailboxes, and ensuring smooth first-day access.
Question 9. How do you ensure security while handling IT support tasks?
I always verify user identity before resetting passwords or granting access and follow data protection and cybersecurity best practices. Once, a caller requested a password reset but couldn't verify their staff ID. Instead of proceeding, I followed protocol by escalating to the security team. It turned out to be a phishing attempt. This reinforced the importance of strict verification procedures.
Question 10. Why do you want to work as an IT support assistant with our organization?
I'm passionate about helping people use technology efficiently, and I'm drawn to your organization's reputation for innovation and service quality. I read about your recent upgrade to a cloud-based system, which aligns perfectly with my interest in modern IT infrastructure. I'd love to contribute my skills in troubleshooting, user training, and proactive support to help maintain smooth operations here.